start the car?
This thing is a whole different game changer.
Yep. Good to go?
Yeah, yeah.
Sports class.
Keep the traction on this thing.
We're not allowed to put it off, dude.
Oh, you're not allowed to?
Never.
Good.
Even if we are driving.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Shit. Okay.
Let's go.
Let's see. This one's back. Okay. Oh.
Yep.
I don't like these automatics, man. Fuck, dude.
But dude, this thing is
Fucking beast, I know. Dude,
Alright.
what a legend, bro.
this thing is
This thing has the power it has.
dude, bro.
One of the guys, his name is Fahd Khan, he has one of these.
Okay.
And he comes to the time attack with it. Man, he flies.
Serious, huh? Okay, keep going. We're gonna let him pass after the first turn. Keep going. Okay, slow down on the right now. Alright, you can pass the radical. Let's go. Go. This thing's blazed, so be careful with this.
You don't even need a second on this thing. Whoa, steering is also
Good, huh?
pretty funky. Steering.
Yeah, man. You push it, yeah.
Holy fuck, what a different driving
Different, huh?
experience, bro. Oh my goodness. When you jump into this, complete different thing. Where you have to put the power. Brake more earlier.
Correct.
Be more easy on the whoop. There you go.
Why? Yeah.
Steering like a slut. Hell valve needs more tire in the front.
Got 2 more laps.
Make it count.
Go.
I feel like doing that sequence of shit. I needed to break it to 1, but
Yep. Good try, man. Good try. Now, harder.
I didn't like it. Oh, I didn't like it.
Yeah, it's not.
Breaking it line. Wow. Nice. Once it gets the grip on the rear,
Exactly.
it takes the power nicely. Like initially here, see that? That's fucking. That little correction helps a lot.
No, normal thing, man. This thing likes to play in the back.
Yeah. Imagine you have like wider tires.
Imagine.
Whoa. Sorry, man, you're like all over.
Just go ahead, bro.
Brakes, I'm not liking it at all.
It's not that great, but chopping everything off. That's rapacious corner, dude.
Oh yeah, the famous two-tire. And
Yeah.
old man was under him. I remember I was standing there watching it.
Alright, slow down. Cool off the brakes.
Yeah, big time.
How was this?
Wow, different.
Very different, huh?
Very different. But yeah, you guys need to bleed the works.
Jeez, you have no idea. These things are always looked at by BMW. Sometimes it vibrates, sometimes they say it's fine, it's okay, just push. Doesn't matter.
You gotta run like higher temp fluids and all that shit. Man. You can't be running.
Stuck, completely stuck.
I'll be putting in some like more chill brake fluid or some shit. But the Clios you guys maintain it, right?
Yes, that's maintained by own.
Yeah, no wonder it's a better fucking car. Yeah, other than not starting problem. Oh, by chance, I'm saying. That made my day, bro, when he was saying it. Ah, सही है भाई, थोड़ा करेगा जाएगा.
अरे करो यार.
जाएगा भाई, क्या मसला भाई? तुम टेंशन हो गया? That was me.
Yeah, you whacked that one down.
Take advantage of it. I would, you know, I would die because I'm not going to Ferrari. I would die. Today, I would die with happiness. Like, fucking put a lightning bolt in my ass and I die from burn. I'll be happy. You know?
That Ferrari thing is, yeah.
Oh, that thing.
On those cars, the kilometers are counted. So that's why you can't say, okay, fine, take this out.
Yeah.
On the Ferrari.
I'm not even expecting, bro. I'm just saying.
No, but of course, man. Why not?
I want to actually see how you drive. I need you to tell him, fucking.
I'm okay.
You okay, bro? Come on, man. You
No
fucking.
jokes, dude.
You fucking.
I'm a learner, bro. I'm always learning.
I guess we all do, right?
I'm always doing so. Just reverse the thing in if you can.
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh, he says go in. Just go in.
So straight.
Yep, just go straight in. Yep.
Yeah, these guys, you don't even.
We usually reverse it in.